What's your status?
We're inside, but General, there's something very wrong here. These people have formed a symbiotic relationship with the Ridden. Did you know about this?
I had my suspicions, but no hard evidence. When you return to Fort Hope, I want a full report, but right now, I need you to focus on the mission at hand. Rescue Nance, followers, along with any other captives, and bring them home. Remember, no one gets left behind. Hope one out.
Well, what are we waiting for? He's on life safe.
Never thought there'd be a thing as too much attention.
My children, let us take a moment to be of one thought, one mind. Let us honor those reformed in the worm's image and reforged as warriors of the worm. We give our thanks to them, for they washed away their former memories to bear this great strength. And it is with their strength that they shall tear down the walls that separate us from the path to paradise.
When did she find the time to come up with this stupid shit?
Door on door! Shit, reloading! Hey!
Check your fire!
Sorry, I got a little crazy there.
You know the drill. Let's blast it open. Back up. It's gonna blow.
Just what I needed.
Shoot for the head. Let me come with you. Are you gonna help me or what?
Thanks, Doc.
Check your fire! What's making all that racket? That was almost scary. You're in big trouble once I get the bullets back in this gun. Why me, Lord? Why me? Hear that? Let's more prisoners this way.
It's going to blow! Find cover!
I'll show you how it's done if you're not more careful. Why did you shoot me? Oh, shit! Sorry! Sure! You must have got hungry or laugh at that age.
Died back there.
Somebody pick that thing up!
Save me! Oh, didn't think anyone would find me.
Hey! I'm almost there! Sid? It's all right. I got you.
Keep bleeding! It's gonna blow!
Here we go, Doc.
Somebody want to get me back up?
We're in this together. I'm here, Doc.
Thank you.
Yeah! End of the line, son. Hey! You don't want to be all the way out there!
You hear that?
Let's move now.
Fuck! Are you fucking kidding me?
blows, huh?
Yeah, I needed this.
Oh, heads up! This is my lucky day!
Reel it in.
Nice!
I'll take it. Quit wandering off. It's dangerous. No risk, no reward.
Ooh,
that.
shiny!
Gotta take care of this.
Yeah!
Time to bust out my moves. Aim for the head. Hold on. Keep bleeding.
Let's get ready to run.
there.
Pop it open. Get away from that.
Hear that? Rumbling?
It's covered.
Oh yeah! It's seen me! Kill it!
Here, you floated worm sack. Aim for the weak spot. Do I have to point it out? I'm breathing more bleeding.
Time to
Feels like each nest we clear, 2 new tunnels pop up!
Reckon these tunnels snake underground for miles. Right under Evansburg, Hope, path we walk on.
Watch out, son.
Cover! Oh, heads up! This is my lucky day! Get down! Oh, it's got dog!
What are you waiting for? Give me up.
Here you go.
I need someone's help. Fast.
Over here.
What doesn't kill you just makes you stronger.
Remember, be careful out there.
If we're gonna do it, let's do it. Ooh, shiny. Damn, you stink. Why pick it open when we can blow it open? Fire in the hole! Clear out!
Propane tank here.
Yeah! It's not me. It's definitely you.
Damn. Black.
Keep bleeding.
Come on, this way.
Side baby!
Aim for the head.
Oh, heads up! This is my lucky day.
Red, over there!
This thing is toxic. Nice! I tripped it, Duster!
Let's see you shoot, kid.
Oh, shit! Sorry!
one when I find one.
Propane tank here.
You hear that?
What's in here?
Gas can over there!
That was like a big, wet, gross
What's making all that racket?
ammo for you. Ammo here.
This thing's gonna blow! Oh yeah! Come on! I'm dying, Mary!
I hear more prisoners! Hey! I'm over here!
What was that? Hello up ahead!
Shit, reloading. Save me!
Please stop! No! No! Hang on! I'm gonna get you! Look up!
Crusher!
You are not my friend, Door.
Get me out! Please!
Knew these charges would come in handy.
Save me! Over there?
Let's do this before I get behind.
You got me out just in
Place
time.
pretty close, huh?
Thank you! I'm over here!
Stinger here.
That does not sound good.
Thanks for the help!
Thanks, Doc.
Ooh, shiny. Nice.
Didn't think anyone would find me!
It's gonna blow.
You got me out one
Open already.
Thank you!
Reloading.
Place pretty close, huh?
Mine now.
There.
Hold
Thanks,
still.
man.
Red, don't let it hurt. Got this.
Ah, it stinks. Let's blow some shit up.
No time for this.
There, a gas can.
Peter, don't get fly!
More than dumb luck next time.
Lucky and Copper.
Over there.
Ammo!
Yeah. Thanks, Doc.
Gotta reload!
It may look bad, but it's not. Looks like a grab bag, but with the good stuff.
Damn, that's a lot of bullets.
I got it. Looking right at me.
Angelo, watch out!
Take this fucker down!
Ain't afraid of you.
Roger's got Jim.
Must have a weak spot.
Hey,
Why did you shoot me?
why me, Lord? Why me?
Friend!
Reloading.
Let me shoot, kid. That again, kid. Get it in your ass.
Look out, Jim!
As soon as I finish
keep
reloading,
bleeding.
you're in deep shit. Can't pick this lock. Just got blasted. Fire in the hole. Clear out.
Found some bullets. Reloading.
Damn, that lava won't quit.
Over here.
That is Eureka.
What have we here?
Cover me! Reloading! Gas can! Found an ammo cache!
Shoot the head.
Take the lead out.
Angelo! Watch out!
Reloading.
Take the weak spot.
Thanks.
I'm on your side, dumbass!
Come on.
Watch out. Red.
You trying to kill me? Slower.
Gonna need rounds in that thing if we can be any use to us.
Nice.
Thanks, man. Are you ready?
Oh boy! There's ammo here!
Why did these things
Here you
so
go!
everywhere?
Score on yours!
Personal discharge.
Reloading! I just got puked on!
Come on. Smarter than letting it go untreated.
Look out! Red!
Not humiliated often.
Might need this.
Hell yeah.
Not so fast,
Looking at this.
little rats! Oh, could escape. All this chaos has been exhilarating. But your maze run ends here. We shall use your blood and your bones to strengthen our creation, our tribute to the almighty worm. We shall infuse it with your very soul, so that it may carve through the earth and lead us to paradise. Give yourselves to our great cause, and join us as children of the worm. Shame you won't be accompanying us on the path to paradise. Stop playing with your food!
Guys, there's too many of them! Let's get out of here! There's a way out, right?
Nice knowing you.
Oh my god! My distress signal actually worked! Do you have backup? Hey! Hey, over here! Look! Inside!
Shut the hatch, you fool! No!